What if you knew that almost half of YouTubers who have taken the leap to full-time are enjoying a decent living with fewer subscribers than you imagined? Within the next quarter of an hour, we'll disclose the actual subscriber base you need, your potential earnings, and the strategic steps you need to transition into a full-time creator. It was 3 a.m., and I was sitting in my kitchen with a half-eaten bowl of cereal, staring at my laptop. I'd just uploaded my 10th video. 0 likes, 2 views, one of them probably my mom. I remember thinking, is this even worth it? I was exhausted from juggling my day job and editing late into the night. But then I saw a comment. This helped me more than you know. That was it. That tiny spark. I didn't know how to make money on YouTube, let alone go full-time, but I knew I wanted to figure it out. That night, I made a promise to myself. I'd learn everything I could, step by step, until I cracked the code. It would take me over a year to finally break through and figure out how to make money with YouTube. Stay till the end, and I'll share with you the strategy I've found and pursued ever since. Preoccupied with questions on how to make a career or a full-time job out of YouTube? Dazzled by the glitz of sudden fame and fortune on this platform? The truth is more practical, and most importantly, within reach. Most creators who go full-time build predictable systems, then compound them. Becoming a full-time YouTube creator isn't about riding the wave of a viral sensation. It's about architecting multiple income streams that naturally grow and multiply. Think of your creator income like Jenga. One block, for example, AdSense, wobbles. But stack affiliates, digital products, a sponsor or two, and fan funding? Each stream adds stability until your creator house stands on its own. Even if one block slips, the structure stands. Imagine a timeline which takes you from start to success, pinpointing the milestones and revenue stages you need to hit at various subscriber levels. Your takeaway from this video? A tangible roadmap, realistic time frames, and newfound confidence to turn your maybe one day to start date today. Your aim: to quickly identify your target audience, get the basics right, and figure out a posting rhythm that suits your lifestyle. Let's break this down. First, define your minimum viable audience. Choose a target audience, identify their pain points, and promise them a transformation. Example: helping newbie freelancers book their first client to earn $1,000 a month. Next, set up your channel. This is where you should use your keyword. For example, how to create a YouTube channel. Brand your channel and disclose your posting schedule. Draft your About section to articulate your unique selling proposition and a link to your lead magnet. Chalk out 5 to 7 SEO-friendly video ideas mapped to your audience needs. Lastly, find a capacity-compatible publishing routine. Choose a cadence you can hit for 12 straight weeks. Can you consistently produce 1 long-form video a week, or would 2 to 3 shorts plus 1 long-form video work better? Here's the mistake 90% of creators make. They publish randomly with no conversion path. You won't. This month, you'll ship on schedule, guide viewers to your lead magnet, and build momentum. The plan here is consistency, reaching early YouTube Partner Program eligibility benchmarks, and establishing a proof of concept. Tactics you might want to consider. First, align your content to 3 pillars: education, which is searchable; case studies that are shareable; opinion/insight, which plays into authority building. Second, Structure your videos with a captivating 20-second hook incorporating the keyword of your video, followed by 3 clear steps and a real-life example, and wrap up with a call to action, or CTA, to comment or download a checklist. Third, closely monitor your analytics. Pay special attention to viewer retention at the 30-second mark, click-through rate for specific title-thumbnail combinations, and segments causing viewer drop-off. Tweak your hooks, pacing, and CTAs after every 3 videos. Remember, the key here isn't perfection, it's consistency and adaptability to data. Think of monetization in terms of trust and control. Kickstart the process with low-friction, high-fit offers. Here are the income streams you should consider and their placement in your videos. Affiliate marketing. Recommend tools you use and trust. Link in your description and as a pinned comment. Mention it while on the roll. Digital products offer rule-of-thumb templates, checklists, mini workshops, and add a soft CTA, for example. Download the same template I've utilized. Link below. Sponsorships. Pitch to micro-sponsors whose target audience is your viewers with a results-oriented one-pager. Fan funding. Offer channel memberships for behind-the-scenes footages, Q&A replays, sneak peeks. Reward your supporters during monthly Ask Me Anything sessions using Super Chat or Super Thanks. Services or coaching. Offer limited slots for one-on-one sessions. Bear in mind to avoid exhaustion. Merch. Concentrate on this only after you've established a clear brand identity and catchphrases. Remember, as a creator, you have numerous income streams to tap into. Don't limit yourself to AdSense revenue alone. Your audience's transformation pays you first. Target being able to consistently earn a stable monthly income even with 10K to 20K subscribers by activating 2 to 3 streams. Let's make going full-time on YouTube feel concrete. Define your creator living number, or CLN. Your basic expenses plus 15% safety net plus 20 to 30% tax reserves. Here's a rough sketch of your potential income stack tailored to your needs. Affiliate marketing, $600 to $1,500 per month. Digital products, $800 to $2,000 per month. Sponsorships, 2 deals per month at $500 to $1,500 each. Fan funding or memberships, $150 to $600 per month. Ad revenue, variable. Regard it as a bonus, not a staple. Given this, aim for a content cadence of 4 long-form plus 4 to 8 shorts per month. Expect 1 to 3% clicks on the descriptions and 3 to 8% product page conversions with social proof. Believe it or not, most creators make a decent living with a base of somewhere between 10 to 50K subscribers, provided that they follow the sequence. Here is the truth. As a part-time YouTube creator, you've got only 5 to 15 hours a week. Hence, prioritize energy conservation. Start with batch production. Think in themed sprints. 1 research day, 1 record day, 1 edit day. Focus on trending topics with real search volume. Template everything. Build a hook bank you can plug and play. Thumbnail frameworks you just swap text and pose. Description boilerplates with your affiliate stack and CTAs, and a simple sponsor read structure, so integrations take minutes. And protect consistency without burning out. Every 6 to 8 weeks, schedule a rest week. Keep the feed warm with shorts or clipped highlights. Remember, YouTube is not a sprint, but a marathon run in sprints. Stick with the habit, and it will fill your bank account. Always keep track of your earnings, either in a basic spreadsheet or via a bookkeeping tool. Create a separate business account once you hit a steady $1,000 a month. Set aside 20 to 30% for taxes and consult a pro tax advisor as early as possible. They'll help you choose the right structure in your country and legally maximize deductions like gear, software, home office, and travel. While negotiating sponsorships, explain your audience's concerns, disclose proofs, package your deliverables, and highlight your price. Here is one example. My audience is 25 to 34-year-old freelance editors. They struggle to speed up workflow. Efficiency, I've driven 6.4% CTR on tool reviews. The package I offer? I'll give you a 60-second segment plus one short, plus a community post. My rate is $1,200. If approved, I can deliver assets by the 15th should I send the invoice. Periodically reevaluate every quarter as you gain better insights into your average views or as your deliverable stack grows. Sponsors pay more for outcomes and certainty. Your job is to make the ROI visible. Let's clear the air. You're not out to become a star. You're committed to be useful repeatedly. Your readiness to go part-time or quit your current job depends on 3 factors. Consistently exceeding your CLN from diversified streams for 3 months. A solid 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved up. Forecastable pipeline. Sponsors pre-booked for the next month or more. Affiliate and product income holding steady. To maintain a safety net, keep one offer open for freelance services and have 2 to 3 evergreen videos ready in an emergency content vault. Now, you might be wondering, okay, that's a lot, but what should I do next? Here's your no-fluff, 12-week sprint to start making money on YouTube and move toward going full-time. Weeks 1 and 2. Define your niche, plan 12 videos, fix publishing cadence, create your lead magnet, and set up 2 tracking sheets. One for content metrics. For instance, CTR, retention at 30 seconds, average view duration, and then revenue tests, meaning clicks, conversions, payouts. Weeks 3 and 4, publish 2 videos and 2 shorts, incorporate basic analytics review routine, test 2 thumbnail styles. Weeks 5 and 6, launch your first affiliate links and a $9 to $19 starter digital product. Start gathering testimonials. Weeks 7 and 8, reach out to 10 potential sponsors with an outcomes-focused one-pager. Hold first live stream with a fan-funding CTA. Weeks 9 and 10. Iterate hooks and intros based on data. Increase product price or add an additional product to the mix. Weeks 11 and 12. Stabilize publishing cadence. Calculate your CLN. Commit to a 3-month target for income. With consistent efforts and the correct stacking sequence, you can witness your first $1,000 to $3,000 month even before hitting 25K subscribers. All right, here you have it, your game plan and timeline to financial independence. Throughout this video, we've discussed how to overcome financial obstacles, how to manage your time smartly, how to fill in your knowledge gaps, and how to win over any confidence issues. Picture this: no commute, a flexible morning, and an income stack that stabilizes month by month. You don't need millions of subscribers to earn a decent living. You need multiple streams that compound. In a year's time, your YouTube channel could become your primary income source, granting you financial freedom. If you feel this video provided you value, drop a comment. Share your questions, challenges, and thoughts on your way to financial freedom. Looking to learn more about going full-time on YouTube? Make sure you hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.